late April. In the BMW M Studio in Munich, a very special event takes place. The European Computer Game Press meets here to get an impression about the new online racing game and car community, Auto Club Revolution.
It's a free-to-play online racing game built around communities of car fans. You can play it on a PC with a web browser.
The BMW Group supported Auto Club Revolution from the beginning. Cooperations with game developers become more and more important for the BMW Group.
The gaming industry is a big market, and with a strong community, especially the community aspect is very important for us. Imagine our more or less 10 million Facebook friends, for example, to be matched with this community. It's great efforts we can reach there.
To experience a very realistic driving behavior in the game, BMW Group sent a BMW 1 Series M Coupe to Eutechnyx. This way, the software engineers could get an impression of how it feels to drive a car like this. High standard quality and innovative technology are good values for a successful partnership.
We couldn't ask for a better partner. Every time that we needed more information or we needed more exposure to the cars or we were trying to get, a better experience for the user, they provided everything we asked. It was really, really great.
Eutechnyx are working on a very high quality level, like we do as well. And it was very interesting for us to see within the development how they are interacting with our products. And finally, you will see it in the result. It's gorgeous.
Within the scope of the cooperation, Eutechnyx has developed an exclusive BMW experience. This game version is free of charge. It allows you to customize your own BMW 1 Series M Coupe and drive it on a racetrack designed especially for this car. At the end, you get this car free to play with forever. But why did the BMW Group decide to set the focus on the 1 Series M Coupe?
First of all, it's not far away from the timing of the launch, and we are addressing a younger target audience on the one side, and of course we have a limited number of cars, so we can spread the experience to a broader audience.
The Eutechnyx team brought together hundreds of thousands of pieces of vehicle data to bring over 40 cars onto screen, including 5 BMW models to race and customize.
Usually you do not expect such a high level of quality in free-to-play games.
It feels pretty real to drive this car in the game.
It's fantastic. I mean, it's a real advance for free-to-play games.
It really feels alive, you know what I mean?
Authentic driving pleasure is not just for the real world. Auto Club Revolution makes it possible to experience your dream car. You can start driving your favorite BMW today. Just go to bmw.autoclubrevolution.com.